When using the curriculum, it may be helpful to know several things in advance of planning. The renewed curricula have been designed with competencies, skills, and concepts in mind. By keeping this at the forefront while lesson planning, you'll be able to be responsive to the specific learning needs of your students. The renewed curriculum is designed to support an inquiry-based approach that is driven. Each outcome will have an associated skill and concept. Each concept will have guiding questions which can be used to help frame your learning experiences. The indicators you see here are suggested ways that you can scaffold learning as it relates to the outcome. Though you will be able to design learning experiences that provide students with opportunities to develop any of them, by planning in advance, you'll be able to set up learning opportunities that provide students experiences. Let's start with an outcome or an indicator. In this case, learners will analyze the impact of the changing nature of work and trends on the workplace and work opportunities. From this indicator, we can see the skill learners will be working on is analyze. The concept that they are analyzing is the changing nature of work and trends. We know that for this grade level, analyze means that students will need to gather and select information, determine the accuracy, validity, and relevance of that information, consider the implications of the information from multiple perspectives, and then communicate their findings, all in relation to the changing nature of work and trends. They will need explicit instruction on how to do these individual skill components. Some of your learners may require specific instructions on how to gather a variety of resources about the changing nature of work and trends, and others on how to select information from a resource you or they have chosen. This is where you can model, set up opportunities to practice, and be responsive to the needs of your learners. To begin with this indicator, learners will need opportunities to gather and select information about the changing nature of work and trends. This is fairly broad and will require focusing in on specific elements to design effective learning experiences. By using one of the suggested guiding questions, or one of your own, we can see the overall focus for our learning experiences here. Guiding questions are designed to be open-ended and broad so that the inquiry can be directed by learners' curiosity and individual interests. We will pose the guiding question, how may required workplace skills change in the next 10 years, in order to frame the learning experiences and to provide content and activities that set the stage for the connections we want learners to make. One final consideration is to look at how the learning experiences would help students to develop their communication, critical thinking, or any of the other competencies. With this particular guiding question, we can see a natural link to the personal and career development competency, which at this level identifies that learners should engage in opportunities to interconnect learning with personal and career development. When using the curriculum, planning is key.